Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CBS 1 exam. Question number 86 and 87 carries a common statement, and the statement is: consider the following for the next two items that follow. Consider two identical rectangles ABCD, BEDF as shown in the figure below. Let AB is equal to 1 centimeter and BC is equal to 2 centimeters. So this is the two rectangles. These are the two rectangles ABCD and BEDF, and this is the overlapping region. So question number 86 is: what is the area of overlapping region? Option A 8 by 5 square centimeter. Option B 5 by 4 square centimeter. Option C 4 by 5 square centimeter. Option D 3 by 4 square centimeter. And question number 87 is: what is the area of the non-overlapping region? Option A 3 by 4 square centimeter. Option B 11 by 4 square centimeter. Option C 3 by 2 square centimeter. And option D 5 by 4 square centimeter. So this is the figure given, and AB is given as 1 centimeter, BC is given as 2 centimeter. So this is the figure, and if we assume GB is equal to A, and then GD will also be equal to A, because these are two identical rectangles, and this is the intersecting point of AD and FB, and this is the one edge of the rectangle ABCD, and this is the other edge of the this is the one edge of the rectangle FBED. So GB will be equal to GD. Okay, later analysis will make you more clear. Okay, so now GB is your A, GB is your A, GD is your A. So GA will be, because total is 2, so this will be your 2 minus A, and this is 1. Now in this rectangle, in this triangle GAB, we can apply Pythagoras theorem, because this angle is 90, because it is a rectangle. ABCD is rectangle. So GB will be equal to root GA square plus AB square. So GB is your A, so we can write it as A square and omit this root, and GA is your 2 minus A, and AB is 1. From this we can find out value of A is your 5 by 4. So now in question number 86 we have to find out the area of overlapping region. So area of overlapping region is this area. So that is the area of rectangle minus area of this triangle minus area of this triangle. As this triangle and this triangle are congruent triangle, okay, or same area, they will have same area. So we can say that area of rectangle ABCD minus 2 into area of triangle GAB will be your area of overlapping area. So area of rectangle ABCD is your 1 into 2, and area of GAB is 2 minus A into 1 by 2, and 2 minus A is your 2 minus 5 by 4, and this is 1, and there are two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, so we will multiply by 2. So this will give the area of overlapping region as 5 by 4 square centimeters. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. Okay. So now in the second question we have to find out area of non-overlapping region. So if we calculate the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle, then it will be area of non-overlapping region. So that is 4 into area of GAB, and area of GAB we have calculated, that is 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 minus 5 by 4. So it will come out as 3 by 2 centimeter square. So answer is option C for question number 87.